If you're looking to restore the comfort and performance of your GM vehicle's HVAC system, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment HVAC Blower Motor Kit is the ideal solution. Designed and manufactured to GM's exacting standards, this replacement part is engineered to deliver the same performance, durability, and longevity as the original blower motor installed in your vehicle. The kit includes the blower motor and all related components, making it a comprehensive solution for your HVAC system. The blower motor, an essential part of the HVAC system, is responsible for pushing air through the heater core and evaporator, ensuring that your cabin stays comfortable regardless of the weather outside. This genuine GM part offers the quality, reliability, and durability that you've come to expect from General Motors, and it's precision engineered to fit perfectly in your vehicle. The ACDelco HVAC Blower Motor Kit is built to provide long-lasting performance, with permanently lubricated, self-aligning bearings designed to minimize wear and tear. The motor has been rigorously tested to meet GM's original factory specifications, ensuring that it meets or exceeds the standards of the original part. This kit not only guarantees reliable cooling and heating but also offers easy installation, so you can restore your vehicle's comfort quickly. Top reviews from customers highlight the ease of installation and the great performance of the product. One customer shared their satisfaction with how quickly the part shipped and how well it worked, especially when other alternatives failed to meet their needs. Looking for a hassle-free, high-quality replacement for your GM vehicle's blower motor? Click the link in the description to purchase the ACDelco GM Original Equipment HVAC Blower Motor Kit today and restore your vehicle's heating and cooling system to optimal performance.